Well, I hope you were able to get out earlier today when the sun was shining. Temperatures were in the 50s because things are about to get a lot colder, and it's going to come with a little dose of winter weather on Friday morning as well. Currently, it's pretty quiet across the area. Starting to see some shower development, though, closer to the Little Rock area. So that's where we're going to look first for some rain. It's going to spread in from the south, from northern Arkansas into southern Missouri by late evening. There will be some rumbles of thunder with this. Notice a wave coming into the Springfield area around 12 to 1 o'clock in the morning. And when these storms come through, most of them won't be severe, but there could be a severe storm or two within this activity that could produce hail, maybe up to quarter size, and also maybe a locally strong wind gust to 60 miles per hour. That's the rest of the night. Looks like it could be a grumbly night, especially east of Highway 65, where the emphasis for thunderstorm activity is going to be through the morning hours on Friday. Notice by 7 o'clock in the morning, here is our strong cold front. And just on the back side of that, there may be a narrow band of heavier snow that then gets a little bit lighter the further west you go. That narrow band of snow will overspread the area, working from west to east through noon on Friday. And it looks like as we get into the afternoon, we've just got lingering low cloudiness and maybe a few flurries. Skies will start trying to clear out from the west. So looking at snow totals tomorrow, don't expect much. This is going to be an event where we have maybe a dusting to around an inch of snowfall. And we may see that dusting extend across our eastern counties as well. What I'm concerned about is with the rain tonight and with the rain maybe up to about sunrise tomorrow and then a quick change over to snow, we could be looking at a scenario where we get what's called a flash freeze because of the quickly falling temperatures. How fast do those temperatures fall? Well, at 6 o'clock in Springfield, it's 34. Notice once we get past sunrise, it quickly drops into the 20s. And by noon tomorrow, it's in the upper teens. And we're going to hold steady in the upper teens to around 20 degrees throughout the rest of the day on Friday. So these are the impacts that I'm concerned about. Again, we mentioned the thunderstorm risk tonight. For tomorrow morning, a quick round of snow. And we may have a narrow band of heavier snow where visibilities quickly fall off, at least for a short time. The other concern is this flash freeze. Again, rain tonight, it's on the roads, and then with the quickly falling temperatures, we see a thin layer of ice try to develop on the roads and then a little snow on top of that. If that happens tomorrow, we're going to have very slick travel conditions developing by about mid-morning on Friday. Also, the winds are going to rock you around, especially on I-44. We're going to have a crosswind out of the northwest with gusts to 45 miles per hour. That's going to force wind chills down into the single digits. Let's talk about the rest of this cold weekend. Friday night, temperatures dip down to about 10 degrees. It looks like a high tomorrow ranging from the upper teens north to near freezing south, about 20 here in Springfield. Yes, winds remain breezy on Saturday out of the northwest. Saturday night, temperatures drop below zero north of I-44 and into the single digits south of I-44. And on Sunday, areas along and north of I-44 may not make it out of the single digits. Looks like about 9 for a high in Springfield. Winds a lot lighter. Look for some snow to move into the area during the afternoon. Now, as far as how much snow we got out of the system, keep in mind this system is still located way out in the Pacific Ocean. And really these storms don't get sampled very well by our model data until they come ashore. That happens Saturday morning. That said, it looks like this system will move across the area. There are questions. Will dry air or the strength of the storm hurt our snow chances? It's possible. I expect lighter amounts north of the state line with a focus for heavier snow here across northern and possibly central areas of Arkansas. That's where I think there's a greater chance for at least several inches of snowfall. Your 7-day forecast, a cold one. It looks like on MLK Day, 9 degrees for a high. That will be the coldest MLK Day on record for our area. Tuesday, sunshine, 16 for the high, and finally back up near freezing on Wednesday. That would make it 5 straight days where we stay below the freezing mark. Bailey?
All right, thanks, Jamie. With temperature